Hi, this is Carrie Delano, VP of Business Development with Trauma Services. Today we're talking about hazards in hoarding and squalor houses. One thing you want to be aware of is feces, human waste, one of the worst things that you can deal with. Going into a house that involves human waste, you definitely want to have your booties on, possibly a suit, gloves, mask, and eye protection. Feces is a very dangerous substance to encounter. They can carry many different bacteria and diseases such as Shigella, E. coli, specifically hepatitis A and hepatitis E. And remember, hepatitis can remain active in feces for up to 45 days. You also want to be aware of mold. There are many different types of molds that you may encounter going into different scenes. One of the worst molds you could ever breathe in is human fecal mold. If you're going into a situation where there is human fecal mold, you want to make sure you're wearing an N95 rated mask. That's your minimal protection, an N95 rated mask. I know of a police officer who went into a scene where a woman was actually hoarding her own feces for years, didn't have a mask on, and he ended up losing 25% of his lung capacity on his left lung. He was on full disability at a very young age because this mold overtook his breathing. Bedbugs is another issue you might encounter. Bedbugs feed on human blood as they sleep. They're about the size of an apple seed, and they're brown when they are adults, so you can actually see them crawling around. During the day, they like to hide in or around a bed. Headboards, bed frames, windowsills, the panels of electrical outlets, any little crack or crevice they can get into, that's where they will hide. In order to protect yourself against bedbugs going into these scenes, make sure you have a suit on. They will crawl onto your clothing or travel in the shoelace loops when you go home. There's also a spray out there you can hit yourself with when you leave these scenes that will kill bedbugs and their eggs on contact. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, Trauma Services is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders from throughout New England. If you have any questions about our services, training program, or PPE program, or any of the information that you saw today, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at www.traumaservices.com. Have a great day.